Wednesdays, we like to put the spotlight on the farm women's group, Common Ground.
Common Ground is a group of farm women who want to be a resource for consumers who want to know more about how their food is grown. Joining us today is Karol Swan from the Columbus area.
Yes,
good to see you.
It's good to be here. It always is. Love it, love it.
Great. Well, we're here talking about food safety because May is here, and of course you think about picnics now in the summer season. Yes.
Wedding parties, sports venues where everybody has a potluck and things like that. So, and you don't want to have bad memories. They're all good memories. You don't want to go home with, oh, I remember I got sick at that party, instead of saying what a wonderful party it was. And we always remind people that our producers work really hard to make sure they sell a good product, and your food processors have all these quality assurance things in line to keep processing clean and wholesome and safe. And then of course your retailers, your grocery stores and all your food retailers have the same thing. You know, they have quality assurance practices and HACCP control things to keep your food safe, keep it clean, keep it wholesome, keep it free of bacteria that's going to spread. But you know, it gets in your car, it's your responsibility after it gets home. But there are just some things to do, and the main thing is to clean, separate. If it's hot, keep it hot. If it's cold, keep it cold. So we talk about the clean part. Wash your hands. You know, when you're handling, wash constantly. Use clean utensils, use clean working surfaces. They talk about the separating. That's separating your raw meat products from your raw produce products or fruits and vegetables. You know, don't be rinsing your meat in the sink and then rinsing your other products, your vegetables in there. And they also recommend just your vegetables and fruits, just run running water. Just do it in running water, like put it in a colander and or hold it and wash it under running water. You don't need to use any special fruit washes or anything like that. Another thing they recommend on the surface, keeping your surfaces clean, is a tablespoon of bleach with a gallon of water. That's as good as any of your commercial things to keep your surfaces clean. But mainly the meat juices, we love our meat, but still it's, you know, they're kind of a good thing to feed bacteria. And the temperature, 40 to 90, is 2 hours. Like if you're at a picnic, you want a 40 degrees outside to 90 degrees, 2 hours out. But you kind of want to keep them covered because, you know, I saw little kids go along and they poke their fingers in and lick it. And oh, that's good, that's yummy. Take a bite and put it back. And if it gets above 90, and 1 hour outside. So you'll just kind of keep an eye on things, keep them covered. Then your thermometer for your hot items is a good tool to have. Your little cheapy meat thermometer you can pick up any place. 140 for your beef products, or 145, 160 for your ground products, and then 165 for your poultry products. Kind of keep it at that. So you just want to keep things clean, separate, hot and cold. And you know, they got these ice trays for your cold items. You can, all kinds of fun things now that kitchen people have dreamed up.
And then keep in mind the 4-day rule too, right?
Yeah, 4-day.
Toss it.
Toss it. Okay. Better be safe. We have lots of food. We don't need to eat bad food.
Yeah, like you say, we want good memories, not bad
Not bad memories. All right. And you're sticking around with a dessert.
Yes, I am.
All right. That recipe's coming up. Thanks, Karol.